Welcome to today's daily message. Today we celebrate the feast of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. Yesterday we celebrated the feast of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. The Sacred Heart of Jesus is a profound symbol of Jesus' love for all of humanity and for each one of us individually. The Heart of Mary is a symbol of faithfulness. Mary was faithful, remained faithful to God through all of the trials and tribulations that she experienced in her life. It was her great honor to be the mother of Jesus. And yet, being the mother of Jesus brought her much confusion and doubt and much suffering and pain. And yet through it all, Mary remained faithful to her son and remained faithful to God. I think there's a great lesson in that for us. There are times when everything in our lives seems to be going very, very well. And it's easy to be faithful during times like that. But there are other times of trial, of sickness, of unemployment, of aging, of death. And that's when it's a challenge to us to remain faithful to God. It's at these times we can call upon the inspiration of Mary and Mary's Immaculate Heart in order to remind us that we are called to remain faithful to God no matter what, just as God is faithful to us at all times. Once again, thank you for joining me for the daily message.